Draw the hexagonal pyramid, base size 25, height 50. So first I will draw the hexagon, regular hexagon, 25 mm side. So I am taking this 25 mm. Now I will draw the regular hexagon by using the circle method. Yes, I will be drawing the circle. Yes, and then I will be marking this 6 arcs. So with the same radius of the circle. Now I'll be joining these points. You got whatever the points you have got. So it is a regular hexagon now. Yes. Okay. Now you can make the outside rectangle. Simply draw the horizontal lines and the vertical lines throughout these edges. Join with this vertical edges. Now you can name it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As usual, I have discussed earlier. So A, B, C, D, the outer edges of the rectangle made. Now you have to draw a reference line. Then mark any point A here. So this is A. Then you have to draw two 30-degree lines both sides. I have measured this 30 degree and 30 degree on the other side as well. Yes. Now you can simply take the distances from this left side rectangle onto this orthographic AB, and AD I have to take from here. So this is AD. It will be same BC. BC will be equal to AD and DC will be equal to AB. Now you can join these thin lines. Always join with thin lines. Okay, make it thick at the if it is required, because it is the outside rectangle only. Now you can check this 2 lies between A and B. Point 2 you can measure it from this left side and you can mark it. 2 and 5 will be of same distances. Between 5 will be between B and C and D. 2 will be between A and B. So you can find out 4 now. 4 and 3. 4 here from B4. You can mark it, and A6 will be same. Yes. Similarly, the other 2 points. Yes. Now you can join these points now. Thin lines. First you draw the thin lines only. Yes. So this is the hexagon. Now you have to find out the center. I am finding out the center here. Okay, by using the joining these diagonals you can find it. There are so many methods to find out the center of this. So this is the center. Now I will be measuring this height as 50 mm. It is given vertical height is 50. So measure it 50 mm. So this is along this chain line. Okay. And this is 50. I have measured. Now join this all the edges to this apex. This point is the apex. You can join this all the edges. First join the front ones. Back ones will not be visible. Only the front edges will be visible. Those who are at the rear side, they are not going to be visible. Yes. You can make whatever is visible, you can make it thick edges at the base. Yes. So this is the isometric view of a hexagonal pyramid. Now I will be erasing any unwanted lines. So this is complete. Now I will be doing the dimensioning. So I have done the dimensioning as well. So as per the aligned system. I hope you got it. Thank you very much.